Hello, let's learn how to make KFC style broast chicken at home. Let's go. First of all, I have marinated the chicken for at least half an hour or 1 hour with all the spices including salt, black pepper, red chili pepper, and some turmeric. And I leave it for at least 1 hour in the fridge. And I have placed some water to cool down. Now I am taking some maida for coating the broasted chicken, and I will season it as well. So guys, I have already preheated the oil, and now I will dip my chicken into the coating with maida or flour, and then I will dip that coated chicken in the cold water, and then I will apply the coating once again, and then I will fry it. So let's go. After frying your roast chicken for 5 minutes on high medium flame, you have to lower the temperature and fry it on medium flame for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So this is our final result of roasting the chicken. Have fun.